Yes, my people, big up on yourself again. Welcome to another one. Yeah, man. And today we are talking about Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man. Vybz Kartel na Guyana, my peeps. Yes, may I tell you, man, the president, them have a ball. Man, the prime minister over there have a ball. Yes, my people. Yeah, man. So today we are going to showcase a few videos and react over them. Yes, my people. Yeah, man. And Rasta Murray recover it at the same way. So we are going to show a few videos and a few more videos where people them have to say about Vybz Kartel and Guyana. One of them all that touch upon the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Yes. Because them a look. We see him did embrace Vybz Kartel more. But that not really happen. Maybe him having views. Maybe him having point why him don't. Yes. And we never know until him come out and say so. Not really I go assume and say just want to hear where people them have to say. But anyway, we kick it off with Vybz Kartel. Yes. Boom. Let me bring it on. Big up my people. Welcome back to Yardman TV. News and entertainment. Boom.
The Worl Boss, Vybz Kartel.
Yeah, good evening everyone. Big up the Angus Store team, big up the distribution team, big up my children, big up members of the media. You know, I don't really write speeches, but it's just like my music, I speak my truth. I speak from here. God is the greatest. Now, when I was approached by TJ concerning the Angus Store team, he was telling me like, yo, I have some guys from Trinidad that they want to do a run with you. But he wants to fly out to the factory, check out the process, see how it goes. And I'm like, okay, cool. Anything I said, TJ. And he went there. He met with Raheem and the team, went to the factory, He called me back a few days later and was like, Dada, this is it, ready. Then I was like, okay, anything you said. But I must say this, he was not wrong.
Yes, my peeps. Yeah, man. Make a big shout out to TJ. Yeah, man. Big up Vybz Kartel, same speed. Yeah, man. Yes, I like how him do him thing. Yeah, man. That's what I tell you, say, man, I tell you, say, yeah, man, have him back all the time. Yeah, man. And him have him back all the time. Yes. So, big up yourself. Yeah, man. And him have a message to the youths, them. Want to hear it. Yeah, man. So, people, Vybz Kartel.
Toxicity and mistake that with masculinity, right? And that are the problem with black people, Caribbean people. That are the mindset what we need to change. I'll give you an example. All right. A lot of conflicts that take place in the ghetto across the region, it could have been avoided. But no one wants to stand down. You understand? No one wants to be a bigger man and just say, I'm sorry. Words like that. I'm sorry. I never knew. So moving forward now, that's the positivity we're pushing to the youths. It's okay to have fun. It's okay to smile. It's okay to walk with your girlfriend. It's, you know what I mean? You don't have to be on the corner smoking a big spliff thinking that is manhood or that is manliness. Because you have to understand, you only have one life and you have to use it wisely because not many of us get a second chance.
Yes, my people. Yeah, man. Big up to Vybz Kartel, yeah, man. Talk to the youths, them. Yes. The youth, them full of ego. Ego a kill them. Yes. So, ego kill them, so till, if you tell you. Yeah, man. So big up yourself all the time. Yeah, man. And we kick it off with Rasta Murray. I'm going to talk something related to that. I'm going to talk about the same topic of Vybz Kartel. You want to hear more of what Vybz Kartel say, you check out his page. You can find membership on other social platform and get a hold of it. Yes. So you were Rasta Murray for 7 people. Big up.
I see the president of Guyana and Vybz Kartel with some other officials of Guyana in Guyana holding a conference. And I find it very, very interesting based upon the message that Vybz Kartel is sending to the youths. I talk to the people them now who like to run with things, especially negative things. I feel like say one of run with a message, you know. If you go over YouTube on a channel called One Guyana, you can find the video over there. I think we need to push the message because I always want to push some things where they're relevant. Even with Vybz Kartel, when Vybz Kartel do or say certain things that ones depict as evil and negative, people always run with them stuff there. Now Vybz Kartel have a message for the youths of the Caribbean and the rest of the world. And I think we need to run with that. Give positivity a chance now, man. When I believe in changes, if a man or a woman used to behave a certain way, you know, and them change, you know, don't you think a one deserve to change? Yeah, man. We believe in a changes higher. So, big up Vybz Kartel for them message there we are sent to the youth them positive. And as a powerful man with that influence over the youths them, youths will listen to you. Vybz Kartel, they will listen. We need to hear more of them things there from the eye towards the youths them. Because the youths them need it. Them need guidance. So all of the man them out there and the woman them where and guide the youths them. Big up on yourself. Vybz Kartel, big up yourself. Big up the president of Guyana. Big up all the Guyanese people. Big up all of Jamaica. Big up all the Caribbean and the rest of the world. Saying all youth and youth. Saying we're going to check out the message of Vybz Kartel and affiliate them. Saying and behave on yourself. Saying and labor violence. Right, that's all.
Yes, my people. Big up yourself and big up the Rasta Murray. Yeah, man. Because you know, say, Vybz Kartel, people, them a talk about you wicked. Yes. And them a talk about the Prime Minister wicked. Say, oh, you can go a different place and get acknowledged. And now, you own a home and you can't get no acknowledgement from your the Prime Ministers. Yes. So, we don't know, you know. We don't know them pray. We don't know what go on behind the closed door. We have to just go and sit down and go and watch. Yeah, man. But anyway, people them talk. And me I go on you no hear what such man say. Yes. You will have to say me people. Big up on yourself. Yardman TV. We have a lot of goat in my surrounding. In the country me there, you know. Yes. Big up on yourself. Never mind. Boom.
Them always say a king no get honor in his own hometown or in his own place. This tying back with Vybz Kartel situation. So Vybz Kartel come from prison and thing. They in a Jamaican. The government itself, the government, the Prime Minister. The the Prime Minister, no have to call him in an office or whatever, or talk to him or take a picture or none of them something. It's not a must say or have to do it. But it just goes to show that the Jamaican government not give Adi the respect or bro. You see how the man got St. Vincent my youth and the Prime Minister carry him in the parliament and in an office and do press conference and sit down around table and eat and chill and everything. The man and him wife and you know Kartel and him fiance and him people them would be behind him. And the man goes to Bamstan, him there Guyana right now, big old press conference, sit down around in the table in the parliament, and in the parliament, in which part them keep them meeting and bro, you don't realize the difference of treatment when the man touch big. When the man touch big road, how them treat the man, dog. I not talk about fans, you know. I'm not talk about media personnel, I'm not talk about interviewers, or I'm not talk about no panel or this and no panel or that and no. I talk about the government will run the country, them dog. I don't want to feel like say Guyana no country and St. Vincent and the Grenadines and all them not big country, big tourist destination too. Guyana a big country with big island, big sitting with people and so I don't want to take it like them country. Oh, some like and if the man go a Trinidad I said thing, if he got wherever the man go I same thing, bro. The government them I show the man props and I show the man love dog. I watch the man there Guyana and the man who run the country himself call a press conference with Kartel dog. The man pulling power is crazy, bro. I don't know, friend them a look. Believe me, I want Gaza. What the sun on my nose. I'm out.